What's up, you guys? What's up? As you can see by the title of this video, right, I got a special announcement. And I usually put all my announcements to the end, but I'm like, you know what, let me make sure I actually put it in the beginning just in case. I'm gonna be nice for y'all. So I'm really doing it. For the people that don't watch to the end, first of all, shame on you. I'm being nice today. Because usually I be dropping hella gems at the end, and I throw little hints at whatever sells or whatever I'm giving away at the end. But for once, I'm gonna do it in the beginning just because I'm about to be nice. So, for the grand announcement, boom. If you haven't guessed it already, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already seen it because I posted at midnight. But the EA bot is on sale. I'm not gonna tell you what the sale is. I'm gonna let you guys go find out. It's a surprise, and it's only gonna be on sale for 4 people, right? So once those 4 spots are gone, that's it. And it's only a flash sale, so this is gonna be quick. It's literally gonna be from midnight of today. I don't know what time I'm gonna upload this video. Because currently it's still the day before, which y'all getting for the next day. But I'm trying to think. I'll probably have it like automatic a schedule for like 10 a.m. So at least that way y'all have a chance to get to it. If it's other people that haven't got to it already, right? So EA-Bot is officially on sale. It's starting off for Q4, right? I was like, you know what? It's gonna be the last sale that I'm gonna do for the bot, because I don't even do. This is around the price for when I first released the bot to the public. So if you know, you know. Similar to that price. It's not that price anymore, but it's quite similar. So go check it out on the website to see exactly what it is. Right? But I'm like, it's Q4. It's going to be my way of giving back. Like I told you, I already gave you guys across all the Academy, all the center chats and stuff, the different specials I have going on. But for that, I'm like, you know what? It's the last time I'm going to do for that. Only for one day. So whoever want it for real, if you're actually serious about copying it, or if you're actually serious about actually wanting to automate your trades or just have another resource in your bag for a clutch deal, because once you see it, you really gonna be like, dang, like I ain't gonna lie, I'm not missing this, because in this industry, bots are usually going for around $2,500, $3,000, $3,500. I haven't seen crazy numbers. And mine specifically, the fact that I went undefeated last month, and the fact that we're probably like, if I really go look, probably 10-1 right now, it should be in the thousands. But I'm like, you know what, this is gonna be the last time I'm ever letting it be this low, right? And then the only other time it'll be discounted is for my Academy members only. So shout out to the Academy members. If you're a Academy member watching this, go look at the Wealthy Talks video that I dropped in the Academy section, so you know all the updates and stuff that's coming and what you can do to cut the bot yourself. But yeah, man, go check it out. If you want it, you want it. But as you guys know, it's the daily, weekly, Sunday market breakdown video. Once again, I'm going to give you guys another setup for SPS 500. Friday, I didn't even trade Friday. I was done on Thursday. Friday, I let it do what it wanted to do. Once we hop over to the charts, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's pretty simple. Like, this week is really straightforward. Like, it's not too much. It's really about to be an easy breakdown for me, breakdown for y'all, so that way y'all can, like, once again, capitalize off of this free analysis. Do not be another person that either missed this video or watched the video but don't actually plug into the trade itself, because for whatever reason why you're not doing it, right? So don't let another week pass you back. The first week we did it, took the $400 account to $1,400. Second week, last week, $1,400 to, what was it? Dang near $4,000, $3,800 if I'm not mistaken, right? And technically I can keep going this week. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna give you a couple setups, and with that $3,800 account for week 3, let's see what that goes to by the end of this week. And this week is NFP week. So before I even get started with that, before I even get started on the chart, the TPs that I set, make sure that you're actually using those, whether it's TP1, TP2, TP3. If you want a more secure trade, I'll probably suggest go for TP1 to TP2 range, right? If you don't care, if you're more of a swing trader, you're cool, and you know how to actually use proper risk management, cool, still go for the TP4. But understand, with it being NFP week, for those that don't know, NFP is short for the non-farm payroll week. You can Google that and do more research on it yourself, but understand it is a week where a lot of news come out for major currency pairs, right? So for me specifically, we trade the US, we trade GPs, we trade AUD. So I already have my Academy there. I already know what's coming up the chat. I already should know what's coming up in the chats, all the different news and how we're going to be trading it. But just want to make sure I give you guys that update as well. But we're already 4 minutes into the video and I haven't even dropped the trade analysis yet. So let's go ahead and switch over to the charts, and I'll give you all this free trade setup for the week, and we can go about our lovely Sunday. It's the first time y'all getting like an early day. But alright, y'all, let's switch over. Alright, so I'm not sure if this is where I left off for y'all last week. I knew I was looking for that retest about the support level. As you can see, it broke out of that support level on Friday. And then it gave us the retest back to that zone. So this is what I'm saying, like the market's pretty much already giving us literally a perfect setup. Like I didn't even have to change it for the only thing you see. Same thing I always tell y'all, we in the zone right now. Cool, it broke out of the zone. I'm about to give y'all setup, right? I'm about to give y'all setup. So entry, we're gonna probably be entering here at 35.80. If for whatever reason you want to stick with the downtrend. So as you can see on Friday, it gave us on the 1 hour. You see that it gave us a breakout, and then this candlestick shows us that the price pushed up. It retests the zone, aka that's a previous support level, and then it's starting to reject that price, which is a potential chance to let us know that okay, it might be still being in the bearish market. Now, to confirm that the sell is ready, this candle has to close below here, which will create like a I wouldn't even call this like a bearish engulfing candle, but it'll create like basically if it closes below, that lets you know that the downtrend still has momentum, and then we will take this entry to support levels. Once I find it, I already have my so these would be like around here as our support levels, but I already have my y'all can already tell I already have my preset TPs that I give y'all. Right, so 35.80 is our entry, 35.75 is gonna be TP1. We're gonna change that color. 35.70 is TP2. Oh yeah, just before I forget, once again, make sure to start liking up. If you haven't liked the video, please make sure you like that up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I told y'all it's gonna be roll to 500. You get me to 500, I start doing live trading sessions. I start doing live market breakdowns, and I answer whatever questions y'all have. The longer we take to us to get there, the more I'm like, all right, you guys gonna have to catch the gems when I give it, or just honestly just catch that academy. I guess I give y'all free value on here all the time, but if you really want to do yourself a service, and you actually want to invest in your own knowledge for real, I would highly advise you to cop the academy. If not mine, at least cop somebody, so that way you can perfect your craft and tone in on a skill. You feel me? So yeah, so this is our sell entry. You're gonna sell the break and close. Once the market actually closes below this price, feel free to take that setup. These are your 4 different TPs for 200 pips. This is your stop loss for 100 pips. Now, my favorite thing to do, right? And this is probably what you're gonna see on Sunday. So on Sunday, the market gonna open up. We're not rushing this. The market gonna open up. You might see the market come to this support level. Do not rush this trade. So like if it comes here, it's 9 times out of 10 you might see it like come here. It might be like I don't feel like breaking, but I'm gonna chill here for a second, and then we're gonna see that push. If we see that push, you're gonna take this the buy at a sniper entry, right? It's still at the bottom of this support level that started from last week, and I'm gonna actually make this entry. Let's see. I'm thinking 36.10. 36.10, not bad. Yes, I could bring it down here lower, but where's the fun in that? I want to make sure like if it actually push up, that trade is actually ready. And by here, this would be like a bullish engulfing candle that'll let you know that the market is getting ready to go on the bull run. So if that's the case, your buy entry is going to be here. The break and close. I wouldn't be surprised if these trades that I'm sending out right now hit within Monday or Tuesday again. Just like last week when I literally sent it out. Like when I updated the chat, well not the chat, when I updated the YouTube channel literally like the next day. It's the same stuff. You feel me? So we got 36.10, 3600. And remember I told you in the other videos too, if it comes back to these prices, feel free to take the trade as long as you follow the same rules that I gave you all the first time. Alright. Entry for this, TP for this is 36.10. I lied. 36.15, 36.20 is TP2, 36.25 is TP3, 36.30 is TP4. So I'm only giving y'all basically two different entries for today. Obviously, y'all know if the market does decide to push up back to this zone, This might be a potential 3720 area. It might be a potential sell area. Actually, you know what? I might give you a bonus trade on, I think it's Friday. I think I might. Whichever day is unemployment claims. I think Friday is unemployment claims. And I'm expecting if it's if unemployment, pay attention to what I'm saying right now. I already gave you a video on unemployment claims, so if you haven't watched that, go back and watch it. But listen to what I'm saying right now. If the market is up here in this area, right, by Friday, if unemployment claims come out, let's say unemployment claims come out and it's higher than what it was the previous month, expect the market to push up to the next major resistance level, and then you will start seeing sales coming right after that. Do not enter a sale right when that news come out, because you're going to get your feelings hurt when the market just push off for the buy and you're sick. Now, the opposite. If the market comes out, if unemployment claims come out lower than the previous month, right, and it's somewhere down here in this area, expect the retest back to the support. Expect the retest back to the zone level, right? Once it drops, enter for the buy and take it back to the top, or take it for another 200 pips, depending on where the market is at. I might look out on Thursday. Thursday, I'm gonna give y'all some fundamental analysis. So I'll do an updated video on Thursday. I'm gonna write that down in my notes, or somebody have to remind me on Instagram. But I'm gonna actually, hey Siri, set a reminder. Record fundamental analysis video on unemployment claims. She had to say that slow. Perfect. Thank you, Siri. All right, so it's set. On Thursday, I got y'all. So that way y'all don't even gotta really stress about it too much. But depending on where the market is at, it's gonna let me know how we could potentially trade unemployment claims for that. So these are the only two sets I'll give you. Right? Only two sets I'll give you: the buy and the sell setup. Once again, like I said, if you haven't subscribed or liked the video, make sure you do that. And if you're interested in copying a bot, like I said, I will highly advise you take advantage of this. Right? I'm gonna drop the video at like 8 a.m. or something, because I don't know how many gonna go away at midnight. So I want to at least give you kind of like a chance. I can't drop it at midnight because, actually, you know what? Whenever the HD get done on this, I'll drop it at midnight. I'll give you out the gym. I'll drop it at midnight. So that way it'll be fair. So that way y'all don't be like, bro, like you dropped it at 8 for us and you dropped it at midnight. Granted, I really shouldn't, because like I told y'all, I've been told y'all to follow me on the gram. So that's on you if you haven't followed me yet. We'll see how I feel. Alright, y'all. I'll catch y'all in this video later on this week where I update y'all on when those two TPs smack. And later on Thursday, right before unemployment claims, and give y'all more gems on that. Peace out. Bow.